Well, it's April and the water isn't as high as it was last year. Last year, it was covering half of this bench. The seat part. Now it's just, that's a wall that it's obviously gone over. Very pretty afternoon. Sun's almost down. It's kind of chilly too. But there's where the sun is, over that way. Look at those lines in the sky. That's interesting, isn't it? Huh. This tree, you can see they had to cut some of it down. We had a terrible windstorm. There's still some branches here. Oh my God, look at that car. Hey, hey. The green fits right in with the grass. Anyway, I've seen eagles up on the very top up there. None today, though. It's so nice. I like coming down here and just hanging out. A lot more room than in my yard in town. This is the Rock River. Flows down eventually into the Mississippi. That way, that's south. Oh, somebody's having a fire out there. Let's see. Oops. There you can see it. Nice evening to do that. All right. Take care.